Ninong A, what is the most important lesson you learned about investing in Australia?
Ako, napakarami niyan. Pero siguro the most important, kung isa lang, magiging successful ka sa kahit na anong pasukin mo. Pero one at a time. One at a time lang tayo. And kung ano yung ipaprioritize mo would depend on what would deliver you the most predictable result, siguro. So that it's not gambling. Like for example, people are fanatics of cryptocurrency. Pero kahit na anong research mo, does it really affect the market? It's a very volatile market, diba? It's a very high-risk market. And how is that different from gambling? Think like that, diba? Isa-isa lang. Focus on prioritizing the avenue that will deliver you the most predictable results. So, kung ano man yon is up to you. It just so happened na for me, ang dami ko sinubukan pero real estate was the one that gave me the best results kasi you have leveraging. You benefit from the use of other people's money. There are tax incentives that you can capitalize on while you're still working. So, ayun, it worked for me. I'm not promising that it will work for you, but it's one of the options that are out there. Isa-isa lang kasi hindi ka naman pwedeng mamangka sa dalawang ilog and expect to get to a singular destination.